Today we'll walk through Project Export in Viewst. Open Export to save a design as an image with scale options from half size up to 3 times larger. Here we export the original 336 by 280 canvas at half size. Next, we repeat the process with JPEG, choosing 3 times the original size before downloading. You can also export a static design as a PDF. For an animated banner, choose MP4 or GIF when you do not need an HTML5 package. MP4 supports the same scale choices. Auto mode lets GIF target a maximum size such as 150 kilobytes. In manual mode, you can choose the palette size and frame rate yourself. The main export panel also lets you share a preview link. This is useful for teamwork. Click copy and the link is ready to send. You can customize exported file names from the Settings button in the upper right corner. Build the template from variables like project name, creative name, format, dimensions, time, or add network. You can even insert text already used in the banner. Now for the key format, HTML5. Viewst connects directly to major platforms, including Display and Video 360, Google Ads, Amazon Ads, and others. Select an integration to continue directly, or choose Custom to download the HTML5 package to your computer. The custom export includes optimization controls. Reduce the package size, or use 2 times assets so the banner stays sharp on Retina displays. You can also embed images as base64, load the animation library from a CDN, and configure the click URL or tracking pixel. Download the package, then check one important detail: the banner's animation duration. Static images do not depend on duration, but for MP4, GIF, and HTML5 exports, the animation length determines the final playback. Open the Animate tab and adjust the slide duration from the timeline or the duration field. Dragging an animation later extends the slide automatically. You can also type the value manually. Here, the banner changes from 5 seconds to about 8.5 seconds. Feeds add another export option. Connect a CSV feed to generate data-driven variations of the same design. Once connected, the selected text updates from the feed, while the rest of the creative remains unchanged. During export, choose the current banner only, or export all 10 variations when the feed contains 10 rows. Now let's verify the results. The PNG exported at half size measures 168 by 140 pixels. The JPEG exported at 3 times size measures 1008 by 840 pixels. Finally, open the HTML5 folder and launch its index file in a browser. The animation plays correctly, and the banner is ready for publication across your advertising platforms. Thanks for watching.